You just saw the preview, but what if I told you? It's literally 3 effects, and beginners don't even know they exist.
Go to background and pick blur. Zoom in slightly and then go to opacity. Lower the value as you want the soft effect to be. And your soft filter is done. Go to effects, then to lens section, and pick NVG and lower the value as you want. And your effect is done. Go to overlay and export the same video. And zoom in and go to effects and to the distort section. Pick scan H. Go to effects and change the object into pip. Then go to adjust it like this, and go to pip again and go to blend. Choose screen, and lower it, like as you want. Then go to masking, and do as I am doing. And your effect is done.